Please welcome Amar Jaffrey, the founder of Digital Pakistan, along with the team Digital Pakistan. This Sunday, we will celebrate our 105th show of Sundays for Pakistan with M.A. Jinnah. Join us for a better and stronger Pakistan in line with the UN SDGs 2030. Thank you, Pakistan. Zindabad.
दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जहाँ जहाँ पाकिस्तान Hey जज़्बा जुनून तू हिम्मत हार From Islamabad to Karachi so far Karachi to Lahore Like a blazing star Lahore to Peshawar The nation stands tall We light up the night with a unifying call Marie, we come on the 8th of November 2024 that we will all remember Dil dil Pakistan Jaan jaan Pakistan Hai jazba junoon Tu himmat na haar Together with Amar Jaffrey leading the way Cyber security Our mission to display Emerging technology, lighting up our path UN SDGs we're tackling with passion and wrath From city to city, with a message so clear A vision for 2030, we hold dear In this journey we march hand in hand For a future bright in this beloved land Pakistani hearts beating as one Shining like the ever-burning sun Dil dil Pakistan Jaan jaan Pakistan Hai jazba junoon Tu himmat na haar Together with Amar Jaffrey